Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller does not keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the seller purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The seller simply acts as a middleman, taking care of the marketing and sales while the supplier handles the fulfillment. Launching a dropshipping business can be a great way to enter the world of e-commerce without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping products yourself. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to start dropshipping. 1. Choose a niche. Identify a specific product category or target audience that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will help you focus your marketing efforts and attract a loyal customer base. 2. Conduct market research. Analyze your chosen niche to understand current trends, popular products, and potential competitors. Use tools like Google Trends, social media insights, and competitor analysis to gather valuable data. 3. Find reputable suppliers. Research and vet potential dropshipping suppliers to ensure they offer high-quality products, reliable fulfillment, and transparent pricing. Consider factors like product variety, shipping costs, and customer support. 4. Build your online store. Create an e-commerce website using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Customize your store's design, product listings, payment gateways, and shipping options. 5. Market your dropshipping business. Utilize various marketing channels to reach your target audience. Consider social media advertising, content marketing, email campaigns, and influencer partnerships. 6. Analyze and improve your store. Continuously monitor your store's performance using analytics tools. Track metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. 7. Provide excellent customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction by offering prompt responses, clear communication, and efficient order resolution. Positive customer experiences will drive repeat business and referrals. 8. Stay updated on industry trends. Keep abreast of new developments in the dropshipping industry, including emerging product trends, marketing strategies, and technological advancements. 9. Optimize your product listings. Create compelling product descriptions, high-quality product images, and informative product videos to enhance the shopping experience and increase conversion rates. 10. Build a strong brand identity. Develop a consistent brand voice, logo, and overall aesthetic that resonates with your target audience. This will help establish brand recognition and customer loyalty.